let me share to you the 3 things about OBA. Especially kung naghahanap ka ng online opportunity, OBA is a legit learning and earning platform. Unang-una, hindi lang siya basta online business. May complete na modules of trainings from the basic hanggang advanced. So, kahit zero knowledge ka, pwede ka magsimula. And yes, may real mentor na mag-guide sa'yo at hindi ka pababayaan. OBA has a strong support community. Pangalawa, iba ang community dito. Hindi ka nag-iisa kasi merong coaches, partner, training everyday, and of course, merong community support para kang may pamilya sa online business. Nagmo-motivate, umaalalay, at nagtuturo sa'yo para mag-grow. Kaya, ang dami ditong naging consistent at confident. OBA gives you a real digital skills. Pangatlo, skills-based ang OBA. Hindi lang kita ang goals. Tinuturo dito ang long-term skills like content creation, social media marketing, branding, and leadership. Ito yung mga skills na pwede mong gamitin sa kahit na anong negosyo pasukin mo in the future. So, kung ready ka na mag-start matuto and ma-level up ang income mo, mag-comment ka sa baba ng video nito ng how or message mo ako directly sa aking Blow Up account para ako mismo ang mag-guide sa'yo. See you!